Many people still associate vegetarian food with salads and bland tofu dishes, which can make it difficult to attract non-vegetarians to try plant-based meals. However, the increasing availability of delicious and innovative vegetarian options is slowly changing this perception. Another challenge is the cost of vegetarian food. In some cases, vegetarian options can be more expensive than their meat-based counterparts. This can make it difficult for lower-income consumers to adopt a vegetarian lifestyle. However, as the demand for vegetarian food grows, it is likely that the cost will decrease due to economies of scale and increased competition. Conclusion: the growth of the vegetarian food industry is a positive development for the food industry as a whole. It is driving innovation in food technology, promoting sustainability, and improving the availability of healthy and nutritious food options. As more and more people become aware of the benefits of a vegetarian lifestyle, it is likely that the vegetarian food industry will continue to grow and expand. With the development of new and delicious plant-based products, the vegetarian food industry is making it easier for people to adopt a healthy and sustainable diet. Whether you are a vegetarian, vegan, or a meat eater looking to try new and innovative food options, the vegetarian food industry has something to offer for everyone. Vegetarianism has been steadily growing in popularity over the past few decades. With more people choosing plant-based diets for health, ethical, and environmental reasons, the vegetarian food industry has boomed to meet this rising demand. Vegetarian alternatives to meat, dairy, and eggs have spread from niche specialty stores into mainstream supermarkets, restaurants, and fast food chains. Here are some of the major developments that have shaped the vegetarian food industry and fueled its continued growth. The growth of vegetarian alternatives. Products like meat substitutes, vegetarian cheeses, and egg-free mayo have proliferated store shelves over the last 2 decades. Companies like Beyond Meat, Gardein, and Impossible Foods have developed meat alternatives made from plant proteins that closely mimic the look, taste, and texture of ground beef and sausage. Products like the Beyond Burger and Impossible Burger are now offered on the menus of major fast food chains like Burger King and KFC. Plant-based milks like almond, oat, coconut, and soy have largely replaced dairy milk for many consumers thanks to innovations in processing and flavoring. Soy, rice, and other non-dairy cheeses have become so realistic that even cheese connoisseurs have trouble distinguishing them from dairy cheese in taste tests. The growth of the vegetarian alternative industry has been instrumental in making plant-based eating more accessible, convenient, and affordable. The rise of vegetarian fast food and dining options. Fast food chains and restaurants have responded to the increasing vegetarian demand by adding more meatless options to their menus. National chains like Chipotle, Subway, Panera, and Taco Bell now prominently feature vegetarian burritos, sandwiches, and tacos made with vegetables, beans, and vegetarian meats. Many pizza chains like Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Papa John's offer vegetarian pizza with vegetable and dairy toppings. Even steakhouse chains like Outback and Texas Roadhouse now feature extensive vegetarian options beyond side salads. The rise of vegetarian fast food and dining options has made plant-based diets easier to maintain for time-strapped consumers and casual vegetarians. Full-service restaurants are also tailoring vegetarian-tasting menus, prix-fixe menus, and omnivore-friendly vegetarian dishes for clientele seeking elevated plant-based dining experiences. More vegetarian grocery options. Grocery stores now stock a much wider variety of vegetarian staples beyond just vegetables and beans. Freezer aisles feature a multitude of vegetarian burgers, appetizers, meals, and snack foods.